Doctors warn us that clogged arteries lead to heart attacks and strokes. But what they don't tell you is that ancient healers, Greek, Egyptian, and Ayurvedic, already discovered foods that cleanse the blood, restore circulation, and even reverse damage. Today, I will share these forgotten secrets with you. Yes, pomegranate, beet juice, and garlic are powerful natural allies when it comes to supporting heart health, improving blood vessel function, and possibly aiding in the reversal of early atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in the arteries. If someone has an enlarged heart, often due to high blood pressure, artery blockages, or chronic heart strain, the goal is to reduce vascular resistance, inflammation, and oxidative stress, while improving circulation and heart efficiency. Here are additional evidence-based natural remedies and nutrients that can support artery clearing and heart health, ideally under nutritionist, herbalist supervision, especially if you already have heart disease. Top natural allies for clearing arteries and supporting an enlarged heart. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, flax, chia seeds, fish oil. Or cooked fish like wild-caught salmon. Why? Reduces triglycerides, blood pressure, and arterial inflammation. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons ground flax or chia, soaked in 1 cup of water for 20 minutes, daily, or a high-quality fish oil supplement. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. Use 100 to 300 milligrams per day, especially if on statins. Why? Essential for cellular energy in the heart muscle, often depleted in people with heart conditions. 3. Turmeric, curcumin. Why? Potent anti-inflammatory, helps prevent plaque buildup. Use with black pepper for absorption. Can be taken as tea, in food, or capsules. 4. Magnesium-rich foods. Why? Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure and heartbeat, and prevents calcium buildup in arteries. Sources: pumpkin seeds, leafy greens, black beans, avocados, bananas. 5. Cayenne pepper, capsaicin. Why? Improves circulation and may help break down fibrin, a protein involved in blood clotting. Use a pinch in lemon water or smoothies if tolerated. 6. Hawthorn berry. Why? Traditionally used in Europe for heart failure, strengthens the heart muscle and improves circulation. Use tea or tincture, consult herbalist or physician. 7. Nattokinase, from fermented soy. Caution: can thin blood, should not be combined with blood thinners. Why? Natural enzyme that helps dissolve blood clots and improve arterial flow. 8. Dark leafy greens. Why? High in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide, a compound that dilates blood vessels. Top choices: arugula, spinach, kale. 9. Citrus fruits, especially grapefruit, lemon. Why? Rich in flavonoids and vitamin C to reduce inflammation and improve capillary strength. Caution: grapefruit may interact with certain heart medication. 10. Fermented garlic and raw honey mixture. Why? Traditional blend used for centuries to clear blood vessels and boost immunity. How to make: peel and slightly crush garlic cloves, submerge in raw honey for 1 to 2 weeks. Take 1 teaspoon daily. Person in lotus position lifestyle pillars, equally important, plant-based Mediterranean diet rich in fiber and polyphenols. Walking or light exercise daily, as tolerated. Stress reduction, prayer, breathwork, nature, music. Sleep quality, vital for cardiac repair and hormone balance. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone you love. Subscribe to join my channel, Healing with Greek Goddess Athena, as we rediscover the sacred foods of the ancients and heal our bodies naturally. Please watch my next nutritional healing video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.